Is that sleeve still good?
I think so. Yep, it's still good.
This is that one.
What's up, YouTube? Crafting Cars here. Happy Friday. Now, from all of us at Crafting Cars, we'd like to thank you for tuning into our 69 subscriber special last week. And since then, I've been doing plenty of cleaning on my B16 block, my GSR transmission, as well as all the brackets that bolt onto that motor. So please enjoy the video.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
This couldn't happen again. This is that one. This couldn't happen again. This is that one.
Alright, so after all that work, here are the results. I tried to get them looking as factory fresh as possible, so it took a lot of wire wheeling, a lot of brake clean, a lot of degreaser, a lot of Scotch Brite pad, a lot of wire brush action. So there you got the transmissions looking nice, the blocks looking nice. And then I also went ahead and refinished all these brackets, as well as my crank pulley and my VTEC solenoid. So yeah, that'll conclude today's video, and Thanks again for tuning in to Crafting Cars, and we will see you next Friday. Bye!
So call me down.